In a time long ago, nestled amidst sparkling lakes and towering mountains, there lived a princess named Aro. Princess Aro was known throughout the kingdom for her compassion and the infectious joy she brought wherever she went. Her laughter echoed through the halls of her palace, brightening even the gloomiest of days. Every morning, she would wander through the gardens of her mahal, carefully tending to the blooming flowers and engaging in playful conversations with the birds that nested there. Her voice was as melodious as a nightingale's song, drawing the creatures of the forest to her gentle spirit. One fateful day, a dark curse fell upon the kingdom, casting a shadow over its once vibrant lands. Princess Aro knew in her heart that she had to find a way to break the curse and restore happiness to her people. With unwavering determination and courage, she embarked on a quest that would test her resolve and lead her into the depths of unknown challenges. During her journey, Princess Aro encountered mystical beings and faced formidable trials. She relied on the wisdom of loyal friends and the ancient magic that permeated the enchanted forests she traversed. Through tests of love and sacrifice, she discovered her inner strength and the profound impact of empathy. Ultimately, it was Princess Aro's pure heart and unwavering dedication that shattered the curse, bringing back light and joy to the kingdom. The people rejoiced, celebrating their beloved princess who had saved them all from despair. From that moment on, Princess Aro ruled with grace and wisdom, her spirit shining as a beacon of hope and resilience for her people. Princess Aro's tale became legend, a testament to the power of kindness and the triumph of good over adversity. Her journey taught her subjects valuable lessons in courage and compassion, inspiring generations to come.